If you can't focus for less than 2 minutes, you're already f***ed. But if you're still here, let's make your YouTube game unstoppable. Titles, thumbnails, hooks, everything in 90 seconds. Let's go! The first 5 seconds, make it count. Use a bold statement, an emotional story, or a question that grabs attention immediately. For example, did you know 90% of YouTubers quit because of this one mistake? No fluff, just get to the point. Your title and thumbnail decide if someone clicks. Use curiosity, bold promises, or emotional trigger. Pro tip, test multiple thumbnails, the one that performs better gets more views. Keep your cut snappy. Cut out dead air, use captions, sound effects, and pop-ups to keep
Attention!
it. Remember, fast-paced editing keeps viewers hooked. Ask questions in your video. YouTube rewards engagement. Then, end strong. Tell viewers to like, subscribe, or watch the next video. Now you've got the tools. Go create, the world is waiting for your story. Like, subscribe, and create.